If you have a smart alarm system that you can control to your Echo device, and you also have smart bulbs that you can control through the same Echo device, I'm going to show you how you can combine those two, set up a routine to where all the lights go off when you set the alarm to away mode. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to the Alexa app. Click the three lines on the top left, and then you want to go to routines. You want to add a routine, and then you want to name this routine. You want to call it all lights off. Anything you want to name it. So I'm going to name mine all lights off. Next, and then you're going to click on when this happens. So when you get on the when this happens screen, I'm going to click smart home. Now I need to choose my alarm system off this list. Now mine is made by a bulb, but yours might be made by another manufacturer. So I'm going to choose a bulb. Now I'm going to choose the mode that the alarm is going to be in when I want to turn the light off. So I'm going to say when it's armed away. So I'm going to say next. And now if my alarm is set to away, I want it to do this action. So I'm going to click add action. And then I'm going to find smart home again. So there's smart home on the list. I want lights. And then I'm going to say all U lights. Click next. And then I'm going to say power. And then I want them off. So I'm going to click next. I'm going to save. So now that routine is set. So if I accidentally left a light on when I leave out, as long as I set my alarm to away mode, it's going to shut whatever light I left on, and I don't have to worry about wasting my electric bill. And when I come home, I realize, oh, I didn't turn off the closet light, for instance. So that's one routine I wanted to share with you in this video. Okay, so like I said, if you have an alarm system that you can control to your Amazon Echo device, then you can set up this routine to turn off all those lights that you left on accidentally. It might not be you, might be the kids or somebody else in the house just left some lights on. You don't want to waste your electric bill, so set up the routine to cut off all those lights when y'all head out the door. Alright, so if this video was helpful to you, go and give it a thumbs up. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching this video. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.